Hey, welcome again to SignalSDR. Within 24 hours, we start our campaign on crowd supply. We achieved 430% of the project is being funded. Thank you very much and thank you for all the support. And today I would like to give you another update which regarding 5G signal fuzzing attack. This project is started by a group of researchers from Singapore University of Technology and Design. Great researchers, and thank you for the tools. So their GitHub is right over here, and there are a few things that they mentioned in their GitHub repo. So number one, it's you need a USRP B210. You need a notebook, of course, that connects to the USRP B210 via USB. You need a smartphone that supports you need a smartphone, or you need a CP router, or you need a 5G laptop, which comes with a 5G modem, of course. And they mentioned few things over here, the requirements. It says they recommended USRP B210, which is good. Like I mentioned in the previous video, right? It's good, it's powerful. The only downside over here, it's expensive. So you need a programmable SIM cards. So what happened over here? It's in our campaign with crowd supply, we do provide a series of accessories that comes with SignalSDR Pro. So we do have the SignalSDR Pro itself, of course, and we also provide the programmable SIM card, which pre-programmed within the within the SIM card, so you don't have to purchase additional SIM card and additional SIM card programmer to program the SIM card. So to cut all the story shorts, I do have a very short tutorial over here to explain about the environment I set up and how I test a 5ghoul attack. So just go to SignalSDR's repo, go to SignalSDR Pro, look for the 5ghoul tutorial, then mention about the environment. So I'm using a Debian 12 within a VM, and then of course I install a 5ghoul within a Docker, which is recommended by the author. So first thing first, you need an Android phone, like what I mentioned just now, what they mentioned on the website. All right, you need a 5G phone that supports a N78 band. Uh, Please go to the settings, look for something similar to a Smart 5G, and disable Smart 5G. You don't want your phone to turn into 4G during the attack, right? So go to developer options, uh, the magic touch that you need to enable developer options. Go to networking, go to a 5G network, make sure you choose SA plus NSA mode, turn on USB debug, disable all these security checks, and enable all these. So basically, it's to turn off all the security checks that might bring you additional issues, right? So, and then there is a very short tutorial on how to turn SignalSDR Pro into USRP B210 compatible mode. Then the rest will be very simple. Just follow the command, run chmod the file, then install 5ghoul. So few things after the installations, go into the Docker, right? Please make sure the ADB is being properly run, and you should be able to get all the device lists like over here. So this is my Android phone. I'm using a OnePlus 9, okay, and then so go to the UE modem manager, which is right over here. So the UE modem manager, which is in this file, make sure that enable ADB is true. This is the serial number that we copied just now. Do the same thing with 5G and our GNB config file. Then make sure you go to a config 5gr file, copy the 78.106.conf into SignalSDR Pro just as a backup. Make sure you edit the 5gr file, open 5g.yml, remove all the IPv6 related file. I have trouble starting up with this option. You might not, but you know, who knows, right? So, and then go to the same file again, which is a config 5gr config file. Make sure you add in all the IMSI key with all the subscriber key, operators key, right? So something similar to this. So make sure everything is in. Then you should be able to good to go. So what do you have over here? It's I'm gonna leave this alone right now. So now you can see the phone, you can see Signal SDR Pro. So what we're gonna do, it's like the tutorial. After you copy the ADB device ID, then you're gonna run the fuzzing command. So we're gonna enable the 00101 option. That is the pre-defined settings, MCC number and MNC number defined by the 5G protocol for testing only a SIM card. Then we have the global timeout. Then we have the enable mutation true. Basically, is to start the fuzzer right away. And the base station config file is Signal SDR Pro, which we make a duplicate copy just now, right? So once we run this command, then what we can see from the phone, it will turn out the phone. Then it will turn the phone into airplane mode and turn it off, and turn into airplane mode and turn it off. So by seeing this message, that means so if the light started to blinking on the Signal SDR Pro, that means the baseband started running. Then you will see a message over here. So ENGNB mode started. That means the baseband started running. Then the phone started to go into airplane mode, and it will goes into airplane mode, turning back up again, goes into airplane mode, turning back up again, right? So along the way, then we can see the fuzzer started to pad different kind of bytes, which is what fuzzer does, right? And sometimes the baseband will stop. Don't have to worry because the baseband will come all back up again. So this is how the thing works. So the phone will keep on goes into the phone will keep on goes into airplane mode and turning back up again. So I will show you if you can see a bit clearer over here. So if you can see right over here, it will goes into airplane mode and came back up again to receive the signal from the Signal SDR Pro. So this is basically how the so if we look at the message, it will keep on running. So it'll keep on padding the code, and we'll be able to see how the thing works, right? So yep, basically this is how the fuzzing works on 5ghoul with Signal SDR Pro. Thank you for watching.